Okay, I hooked her back up. I turned the water supply back on from the inlet valve there. So we're going to see if this puppy is going to make ice. How about that? The arm's working. Don't mind this ice cream. Or that. Now what was happening before is there was water. That's where it's coming in from the inlet valve. It fills this tray with just enough water to freeze these ice cubes. And there was excess water dripping from this unit, so I installed a new unit last week, and it did the same thing. So I was told it must be the solenoid, because the line's not frozen, or it wouldn't have been dripping water out of there. So we'll see.